Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change name on a RedNote. Really easy and simple. First things first, of course, open up the app. And then to get to this page, guys, really easy and simple. Let's say you're in the home page, right? What you're going to do is come here at the bottom right and then click on your profile icon, which is me right here. Click on me. And then you just want to click on this option right here that says profile. And this will open up your profile page. And where you see your name right here, click on that. And now right here, you can change your name every 7 days, and you can set it to between 2 and 24 characters. You cannot use invalid characters such as these ones. So you just want to come here, click on this, and this will open up your keyboard. And then once you're satisfied with your name, you can go ahead and just click on a save here at the top right. And keep in mind, guys, you cannot change your name unless you verify your phone number. Okay, I have not been able to do that yet because there's currently an issue with verifying your phone number. But once you do that, you will be able to change your name. I hope this helped you guys.